Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm your girl Riquel Angela, and y'all, I am back with another makeup tutorial. Yes, I'm so excited, y'all. As y'all can see, I've been waiting for these products to come in, and they actually came in today. I was not planning on filming today, but I was like, you know what, whatever. I got new foundation. It's the Sephora's Best Skin Ever. Their translucent spray. Their translucent setting powder, as well as their concealer. I also wanted to try the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer, as well as the refreshing spray. I bought it in the trial size because we're gonna test this out, okay? As well as lipsticks. Y'all, I'm so excited to just, let's have some fun, all right? And if you guys are new to my channel, welcome in. I'm Riquel Angela, and y'all, my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much. And my new subscribers, hey y'all, welcome back. Y'all, let's just get into this video. Let's have some fun, all right? Okay, so I don't think I'm gonna do a voiceover today. I think I wanna just kind of talk through this. Like I said, I've mentioned before, I have been familiar with the Milk brand. I've also heard people rant and rave about the Sephora Best Skin Ever. So I wanted to try it out and see for myself because I've always wanted to try the Sephora brand makeup and see what it was like. I bought a couple lipsticks as well. Let's just have some fun today. Let's kind of talk through this. Let's see how far I can get through. My daughter is watching her show and mommy's doing a little bit of work. So y'all, listen, before we even get going, I already moisturized my face. I am actually going to get started with the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. Yeah, I wanted to zoom in so you guys can kind of see. So, and like I said, I got the trial because I wanted to kind of test it out. I didn't really want to just go full swing into the big product. I want to try it out and see, especially with me having sensitive skin. So I like to pump on the back of my hand. Nice amount. So it feels like a jelly. Most of my primers are like a cream based. It definitely has like some sort of like tackiness kind of to it. So it doesn't really have like a smell. I think I put too much on. I was too excited. Put too much on. But I kind of like how it says hydro. I'm normally the type to run from hydrating things because I do have oily skin. But I noticed a lot lately I'm not as oily as like I used to be. I don't know if pregnancy did that to me, but this is what it is. So I normally don't prime my eyebrows, but I kind of got too excited and did it anyway. All right. So I definitely have like leftover residue. So we'll see. It feels lightweight on my skin. So let's just see. All right. I'm like, how do I do makeup again? New products. Where do I start? So I'm using the Sephora Best Skin Ever in the color 57Y. I was trying to find a color that had some like undertone, yellowing undertones. I feel like I have that. They said they have pink and red. I don't know. I have more of a warm undertone. So far this looks like something that I normally would buy. It just happened. I didn't even do my eyebrows yet. Hold that though. All right, I'm back. So y'all, I was too excited. Your girl was just ready to get into this makeup and almost forgot how to do makeup. Y'all, this is the real me. Kid you not. I got too excited and was like, what do I do? So I went ahead and I did my eyebrows, got the foundation on my brush, and let's get to applying. Now, I'm used to wearing mattifying foundations, so I'm stepping out of my comfort zone and I mean, for the most part, as I feel like this foundation is buildable. What do you guys think? few more pumps just to kind of finish off my forehead. Look at my little baby hair. Oh gosh. I mean, it's very lightweight. I'm so used to mattifying foundations that to me, my face feels super greasy. Yeah. I mean, it's giving a little bit. This is just my concealer that I'm blending from my brows, just trying to blend that in a little bit more. I feel so crazy. I feel overly moisturized. Let me know in the comment section. What do y'all think? I mean, is this like the dewy look that most people, most people like? I don't like to feel dewy. Like, I feel like I need to do this. Okay, let's just keep going. Okay, I'm not gonna cry yet. Oh my gosh, my face feels so freaking greasy. Get it together, Riquel. Get it together. Okay. Alright, so let's try out this concealer. It's from Sephora. The Sephora Bright Future Concealer. I got it in the color 15. It's the Dulce Leche. Dulce Leche. So I wanted to, sometimes I feel like my concealers are too light. Look, I got new, like, I'm so like distracted by how greasy I feel. My beauty blender, and let's just blend. So I like to start from my chin and work my way up. I really want to add a little bit more foundation because I feel like it's not covering my blemishes. I'm doing only a little bit right in here. I feel like with this, you definitely have to like blend. If you got like blemishes like me, or some form of hyperpigmentation, then do that. Maybe I should have went under with like a correcting concealer, but I do kind of feel like my face is like extra moisturized. I don't know, am I exaggerating on like the oiliness of it? Because this isn't something that I'm used to at all. I do want to kind of add like a little bit of a brightening effect under my eyes. So I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the color 40. It's caramel, but it's a little bit more brightening than what I just used. So I'm just going to put that on top because I kind of want, that bright eye makeup look. Let's just see how that works. And if you guys are still watching, thank you. I appreciate the love, girl. See what that kind of did a little bit? So I'm gonna go ahead and go mist my face a little bit since I have foundation on, and before I even contour, I want all that stuff to kind of like sit and set. So just try. I feel refreshed. Whew, that kind of woke me up a bit. It woke me up. So I'm gonna let this dry and I'll come back. I wanna first use my Black Radiance True Complexion contouring palette. I'm gonna go ahead and start contouring my face with that, and then we'll jump right into the Sephora Translucent. So let's just speed this up. I'm ready for the end result already. Y'all, like, I feel like this makeup is gonna like set in like my creases and cracks. Look at my chin. Look at my forehead. Like when I wear matte makeup, it does not do that. So no color, this is just a basic translucent, which is what I haven't used in a long time, like a basic translucent. And I like to press my powder in. I like a biscuit. I'm still gonna press it in. It's not giving what I need to give. Is it giving sense? Is it giving? This is how I like to contour. So I'm using the True Complexion, the Black Radiance True Complexion, and I just kind of like to highlight this area too a little bit with a nice warm toned powder. I'm gonna contour my nose real quick with the darker color. And I'm just using the this is actually one of my favorite eyeshadow palettes. I think I'm going to treat myself to some more. Okay, so I just finished applying my mascara. I wanted to try the Sephora 12-hour eyeliner, and I'm gonna line the bottom of my eyelids. Oh, love it already. So easy just to add on. I hate when I have to like try so hard just to add. That's why I don't wear it often, because some eyeliners don't really like draw on so easily. So I like this already. All right, y'all, time for the eyelashes. So let's try it. Okay, as y'all can see, oh, they're so cute. I love the curved effect. So cute. I'm linking these lashes in my description box, y'all. Like, and they were only 12 bucks for all of this. Listen, forget the makeup, the lashes out. I'm using the Sephora lipstick in Yum Yum. Okay, we're just gonna do this. We're just gonna try. I wanna try it for the color, really. So let me go ahead and spray and set my face. And then I'll put a little bit of highlighter on when I come back with my hair did. Okay, so y'all, I'm back. And I've actually taken like maybe about an hour break from doing my makeup. And I'm glad I did, so that way I can come back and like film with you guys again, so you guys can see literally how, I don't know. I'm trying to see how I feel about the Sephora Best Skin Ever. I'm trying to see like how will I like it. The only thing that's kind of disappointing is I feel like the makeup is setting in my creases. I can see it like in my forehead. I even see like the side of my nose kind of greasy. But just, yeah, and then like my smile lines and like a little bit of my chin. Maybe I'm exaggerating. I mean, I still feel like I look freaking good, you know. Thank you, Lord. I think I did it really good with matching my skin tone. It's not too bad. It says it's a long wear foundation, so I've had this makeup on my face probably like 2 hours now. I just don't like the creasing in my forehead. My matte makeup does not do that. I don't know if it's either too much hydration, whether it's the Milk Hydro Grip Primer, or if it's the setting, but I am so down to actually using the Milk makeup line with my Maybelline foundation. So if y'all want to see that video, I'm so down to try this out. What if I just put a little bit of this on these areas? Because like, you know, we want to go out and about. Like, I feel like honestly I can't wear this makeup during the summer. I would be, it would not go well for me. But anyway, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Subscribe, y'all, please. I appreciate all the love and all the help and the tips that you guys have been giving me on my other videos. Listen, we're in this together, okay? Sister to sister, okay? I will see y'all in my next one, and well wishes to you all. Thank you.